Hi, my name is Amber, and I just wanted to say a few great things about Williamson Foundation. Somebody referred me to them, and I had them come out because I was told I might have a foundation problem. They came out, they were amazing. Norman was the one they sent, and he was fantastic. He was just so nice, and actually it turns out that I didn't need foundation work. I was super surprised about how honest he was. He showed me everything that was going on, don't need it at all. I was so happy with him and the job that they did that I actually referred my parents to them. They did need foundation work, and it was very, very fast. Great crew. They were really nice to my parents while they were there. They were super clean. I mean, everything looked great the whole time, and they kept us in the loop, what's going on about everything. So just wanted to let everybody know that I highly recommend Williamson Foundation. If you have anybody you want to call, I would definitely recommend calling them.